This 2024 Holiday Rambler Invicta 36Y is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, Florida 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. This 2024 Holiday Rambler Invicta 36Y is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.